So guys, there's a new update. It's the Final Cut Pro version 10.6.5. And today, let's talk about some of the things you need to do before you decide to install this latest update. Let's get it. Hey there, I'm Neat, and I talk about videography and editing. I post weekly content on YouTube, so subscribe. It will be very much appreciated. Every time there's a new update, the first thing I do is to look at the things that they added with the update. And if I'm interested in some of them, I do more research. Then I consider updating or not. So let's look at the things that comes with this new Final Cut Pro update. Okay, I can see 4 things they're listing here. They're saying faster export time for H.264 or for HEVC codec. And if you're a beginner and you've never heard those names before, those are just video coding format, also known as codec. Right now, the H.264 is still considered the video compression standard, but the HEVC, what is it? What does it stand for? High efficiency video coding. And that's the next level right now. This compression right here retains about 50% more quality than the H.264. But that was just a side note. Okay, so a faster export sounds interesting, but you do have to do more research if it's really worth updating. And Dylan Bates from Final Cut Pro did a test on this. I'm gonna put the video in the description. And to be honest with you guys, I agree with him. The difference of speed is not very significant. It's not enough to convince me to update. The other thing that comes with the update is stability when disconnecting a sidecar. This is just for those who are using another Mac device, like an iPad, as a second monitor when they edit. A sidecar, that's why it's called a sidecar. And I don't use that feature, so this update, not for me. There is also improves performance when editing on a Mac with an ambient light sensor. Not really interested. Fixes an issue where adding images from the Photos browsers to a new project may cause additional media. I don't usually use the photo browser. So this update is not really for me, and I wouldn't even recommend it. So that's my thought process whenever I see a new update coming out. Is it for me? Is it gonna affect my workflow? Is it really gonna help me edit that much faster? Before I even consider updating my software. Yeah, that's it. If you guys got any value from this quick video, subscribe and go check out these tips for Final Cut Pro users, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.